Introducing RiteInTheRain, American makers of all-weather writing products. Founded in Tacoma, Washington in 1916, we carry on a proud tradition of manufacturing hardworking products for hardworking people. Using real paper and our patented coating, RiteInTheRain defeats the elements and resists water and stains. Our pens write upside down and through moisture. Our pencils are designed to endure abuse in the field. Our binding resists bending and deformation. And our covers keep your notes safe from harm. Through 99 years, RiteInTheRain stands for reliability. Through rain, sweat, grease, and mud, our products are designed to survive. After all, anything worth writing down is worth protecting. RiteInTheRain, defying Mother Nature since 1916.